God, it was so crazy. Like, everyone was so late.
Yeah, it's left. This left?
Yeah, I think so. But anyway, everyone was really late, and then I had to like reheat all the food.
Sorry. It's no left turn here. So, is it the next, like the one after this left? Or?
Yeah, just keep going and then go left eventually, I guess. But the thing is yeah, but like it's okay at the end of the day. Oh, by the way, it's a hook turn up here. Anyway, I think that.
Wait, it's a hook turn? Sorry, what?
Yeah, it's just a hook turn. It's not a big deal. But yeah, oh wait, it's here.
Oh God. Fuck.
Oh, I think you did the wrong turn, but it's okay. We can just.
You told me the next right.
It's so fine. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
If you just do a U-turn here and then.
Well, I can't.
Yeah.
Can I?
Maybe get like a remedial.
Hang on. Sorry.
massage.
Is this right or?
Oh no, the third right. But actually, if you go left after the right.
Okay.
I just want to be respected.
Third right, then left. You said. How many
Third
rights have we
right.
gone past? So what'd you do on your weekend? Sorry for interrupting.
Saw my parents. What are you doing this weekend?
What? Oh, well, I'm going to the. I feel like I took the wrong turn. Is this? Were you watching? Was I meant to go then?
I don't know. But I just
Well, we're going to your house, so I don't know. I'm really trusting you. This weekend, coffee with some. I don't know. Where are we? Where am I?